DragonWave's Harmony-enhanced and Eband family brings along a new and innovative connector housing to vastly improve installation time and reduce cost. The integrated housing features a 4-port GigE switch with 2 copper ports and 2 SFP ports. Power to the radio is delivered through either Power over Ethernet or using the direct -48 volts power connection. These ports and cable connections are protected in an environmentally sealed IP66 rated cable enclosure. ODU solutions today require the installation of a weatherproof connector or gland assemblies directly onto the cables. Some of the gland assemblies must be installed before Ethernet termination. While others can be assembled around a pre-terminated cable, it can be long and quite time-consuming. DragonWave's new integrated cable housing makes installation quick and easy, allowing use of pre-terminated cables for data and power. Cable installation is as easy as opening the housing lid and connecting the cable. Closing and sealing the cable housing requires only a screwdriver. The captive fasteners used to seal the lid ensure there are no loose parts while installing the cable to the radio. For any additional information on the Harmony-enhanced and Eband family, please refer to the product manual and quick reference guide, which can be found in the customer support portal of the DragonWave website.